All right, pretty short video. It's just going to be about fixing this error we see for Desktop Connector. The initial troubleshooting steps will be in the description below. These are the same ones given by Autodesk themselves when you encounter this issue and you click on Reset Desktop Connector to defaults. In my case, it did not help. On the screen, I'm going to flash 2 registry locations you want to check and delete. But before you delete anything inside, I want you to exit out of your OneDrive, exit out of your Dropbox, anything that creates a basically a cloud drive inside of your File Explorer. I want you to disconnect from those softwares and sign out and make sure all your files are done syncing. Because what I believe when you delete from these registry location, it's going to remove the cloud drive away from your File Explorer, and you have to re-log in to OneDrive and whatever software to reestablish the connection. So we don't want any corruption from that. So just make sure you sign out and that, you don't have any issues there. I guess it's also worth mentioning how to do a quick isolation test. If you could create a local account or local admin account on your device real quick, and then see if that profile works normally with Desktop Connector, then you might have your answer there. That's how I came across the issue. The registry is clearly wrong for the profile I would like to sign into, and the new profile is completely fine. But yeah, that's pretty much the content, the gist of the video. Have a good one, everyone.